In today's digital world, phishing scams are more common and sophisticated than ever. If you accidentally clicked on a phishing link, don't panic. Acting quickly can help you stay safe. In this video, we'll cover exactly what to do after opening a phishing link with a clear action plan. Step 1. Disconnect from the internet. Start by disconnecting your device from the internet to stop any malicious data transfer. For Wi-Fi, turn off your connection or enable airplane mode to go offline instantly. If you're using a wired connection, unplug the Ethernet cable to cut off internet access. Disconnecting your device limits the chances of malware spreading or data being shared. Step 2. Avoid entering any information on the phishing page. If the link led to a web page, close it immediately without entering any information. Phishing sites often mimic real websites to trick you into entering passwords or other details. Avoid providing any personal information like passwords, usernames, or credit card numbers. This step protects you from giving attackers direct access to your accounts. Step 3. Backup. Important data before taking additional steps. To safeguard your files, back up any essential data on an external drive or cloud storage. This backup ensures you won't lose important information if further action is needed. Having a secure backup lets you confidently scan or reset your device if necessary. Step 4. Run a full malware scan with trusted security software. Use a reputable antivirus or anti-malware program to scan your entire device thoroughly. Make sure your security software is up to date to detect the latest threats effectively. Run a full system scan, not just a quick scan, to ensure all areas are checked for malware. If malware is detected, follow your software's steps to quarantine and remove any threats. If you need help with security software, Cyber AI Pros can provide expert recommendations. Step 5. Change passwords for sensitive accounts on a secure device. If you suspect your login credentials were compromised, update your passwords immediately. Use a secure, trusted device to change passwords, starting with email and financial accounts. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, for extra protection wherever possible. Make sure your new passwords are unique, strong, and not similar to previous passwords. Cyber AI Pros offers password management guidance to help you create secure passwords. Step 6. Monitor financial statements for suspicious activity. Regularly check your bank and credit card accounts for any unauthorized transactions. If you notice suspicious activity, contact your bank or card provider right away to report it. Monitoring your financial accounts helps you quickly spot and address potential fraud. Cyber AI Pros can help set up alerts and monitoring tools for added financial security. Step 7. Report the phishing attack to the relevant parties. Report the phishing email to your email provider to help improve spam filtering. Let the company being impersonated know about the phishing attempt to alert them. In the US, you can report phishing to the Federal Trade Commission at reportfraud.ftc.gov. Reporting phishing helps protect others and supports efforts to block these scams. Step 8. Educate yourself and others about phishing signs. Stay informed on common phishing tactics to recognize and avoid future scams. Look for red flags like urgent requests, poor grammar, and suspicious links in emails. By understanding these tactics, you can avoid falling victim to phishing in the future. At Cyber AI Pros, we provide personalized training to help individuals spot phishing scams. How Cyber AI Pros can help you stay safe from phishing attacks. Cyber AI Pros offers complete security solutions, including threat detection and phishing prevention. Our team conducts security assessments to identify vulnerabilities in your setup. With advanced tools, we monitor and alert you to any suspicious activity in real time. We also offer training to help you recognize phishing and avoid common online scams. If you want to boost your cybersecurity, Cyber AI Pros can help you stay one step ahead. If this video is helpful, please tap like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more cybersecurity tips. Visit cyberipros.com to learn about all the services we offer to protect you from phishing scams.